When last time in the month of Jan and the Feb, I had visited few of the universities in Mumbai to address last year engineering students. What I came across as a concern from professors and even while I was interacting with the students, what I understood from them on a career challenges, I'm just going to recommend some suggestions on deciding your career paths in this video. So if you are a parent or even a fresh graduate engineer or even you are studying engineering, continue watching this video till the end. Now, what I saw and what I heard from professors is that nowadays most of the students are seeking admission for computer science or information technology and related subjects, but there are very few who are seeking admission for core subjects like electrical, electronics, mechanical, civil, and there is a huge gap in these admissions now. So the major concern what professors shared with me is, if this continues, like most of the students seeking admission only in information technology and not in the core subjects, there will be huge gap or there will be huge need of engineers for these subjects in future. Now, if I really look at this in the perspective of industry needs, based on my 24 years of experience and plus have traveled more than 10 continents, visited more than 70 suppliers in different manufacturing units, and understand what is exactly a need of industry today. Based on that, my recommendation and my suggestion would be look at the industrial phase transition till today. And now the current generation or for next 5 to 6 years, you will be a important phase where you will help this industry to transit into industry 4.0 need. And what is required from you or what is required from the current students in the engineering subject is, you really need to work for these core subjects and understand the way of working, how they are functioning, how the process is done. And along with that, you also need to be expert into new subjects of artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain technology, and help this industry to transit from the current way of working to the new way of working. And this is what is expected from you as an engineer who is into transition phase of these industries today. And if at all, if we really consider that everybody going into information technology, artificial intelligence, digitalization, then what will happen is the generation who is learning these subjects and they have to serve these core industries finally. And if they go directly without having a background or without having that practical knowledge, they will not really able to help solve those issues. So the current huge demand or a need in the industry is people or the engineers who understand the core subject as well as they are expert in the new way of doing it. So as a parent, as a fresh graduate engineer or even an engineering student, my suggestion is study these core subjects, and while you are working in these industries, invest your time and money into learning these new technologies and help this industry to transit from the current way of doing, current way of working to the new way of working. And there will be huge demand for such talent, for such engineers in the future or for coming at least for next 5 to 6 years. I'm sure you would really understand the concern what I'm sharing and look at the core subject, go and practically learn them, learn how industry works, and then help them to transit into industry 4.0 need. And this is what is required for the current industry needs and in future for next 5 to 6 years. Hope you understood where you can navigate through your journey in your career, and this will really help you to understand where you can focus and grow in your career as well. If you need anything more into specifically into deciding your career ahead, Last2 Club has its own career analysis system. which is artificial intelligence based system, which can actually help you to assess your personality and guide you through which career streams are best suitable for you. You can write to me at info@last2club.com, and then me and my team will help you to really go through that assessment and understand what is really best suitable for you as well. And anything further or any questions you have, please write to me on my email address and I'll be happy to solve. So like this video, comment and share this video within your network so that the awareness is spread. Do follow me on LinkedIn or subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more from such videos.